Hello there, my name is K-Sam and I hope you're really doing great wherever you are. I have decided to make this a first video of 2024 in which I'm presenting to you some of the sound effects and samples that I really think are going to make sense for you. Now these I edited inside of Virtual DJ itself from some of the old samples that we have had for many years and of course are now boring. I really hope they're going to make sense for you, so please feel free to try them out through on Music, and I'm going to put a link of them in the description down below. Also, please watch out for the password. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to put a bold password on the screen, so please make sure you do that. And I'm going to sample them right away so you can listen to them. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and then join me as we start up a new year. Let's go.
Easy.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed some of them. If you really did, so please leave a like and a comment down below and let me know which one you really liked. And also, if you're still new to this channel, if you watched for the first time or you've been there and you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And then I have a lot coming like this.